Hey everyone, welcome back to the Help Coin Your Home and Your Crypto Recovery. I'm your boss, Wade Van Winkle. We hope that everyone is having a great day. The markets look beautiful on this Wednesday, November 13th, in the middle of the week. We did an emergency show live from the move at night. I have no idea what time it is at 3:34 p.m. It lasted for hours. More than 5,000 people are coming to see the show. XRP was what we talked about. We did a lot of other alts and got them on live stream every Wednesday. Don't forget about it tonight. 7 p.m. time in Eastern Standard. You can catch me on Twitter, YouTube, or TikTok as we stream on all three of these sites. Now, in this episode, we'll talk about how the markets are talking about what happened last time. Look at the XRP price and what it's doing to get an idea of what we want to see. Bitcoin, will there be a drop or will it go up from here? We are going to talk about ripples in the Federal Reserve because something is cooking and brewing, and I think I have a great idea of what it is. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Bitcoin 88,000 USD is currently up 1% in the last 24 hours, coming in at $3.169. It's currently down 2.9%. USDT is coming in at its dollar peg, while USDC is trading at an average of $99. XRP is also up 1%. Yes. As of right now, friend, 67 cents is up 3.16%, bringing the total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market to $2.92 billion. Another thing that many people want to know is, where does XRP go from here today to tomorrow? In case you forgot the stay flow. Before I go on, let me quickly go over what we are looking for. It's pretty easy. Our main point of support for the next move up is 70 cents. We go after 70 cents 6 times. Yes, we were able to break out 6 times yesterday. On the 6th try, we were finally able to do so. Now, I told you that 70 cents is just a small speed bump. Once we get past that, 75 cents is your next key level. That's the level we want to break through and open the road to $1. I will let you know if we haven't been able to get by on 75 cents, we need to keep. If that didn't destroy that 70-cent level, the next key level at the man or down is 65 cents to maintain if that doesn't destroy 60 cents. So you can see that this is a very narrow path for us to take. The goals haven't changed, and we've been calling those goals since Q1 when we called XRP at 75 cents and throughout the summertime. We want you to be aware of these 3 big speed bumps. Let's keep going from here. We are in the middle, and I don't mean just splat in the middle. This can go either way at this point. If Bitcoin goes up, XRP will go up as well. Thanks. In the event that Bitcoin starts to rise again, the old coins will rise with it. Right now, 75 cents is the main barrier that we need to break through in order to reach $1, which is coming a lot faster than most people think. Will Bitcoin now have a retrace? The big question is whether Bitcoin can go back up from here. It only makes sense for it to do so. It really just blew up. In the past 30 days, it's gone up more than 30%. How much will it go down? That's how I get us loads. I always get DMS on this. I don't think it will be that bad. I just don't think 80 to 83,000. Yes, I believe that is the lowest we can go. This is the warm up. This is the beginning. Once we broke 74.00, I told you about the bull run. It was time here. We've been moving around that area of resistance that I've talked about a lot on this show. Right now, 88,000 is the biggest obstacle for Bitcoin. I think it makes the most sense to see a little bit of a slowdown here before we start to rise again. Get to that place where you can make $100,000 to $110,000 before the end of the year. I'm looking at the market. Why did we wait 3.5 years for this moment? We know the bull run isn't over and we should quit. This year's main goal is going or walking all the way into next year. At the silly summertime body, we're waiting for those soaring tops to come in and then for the markets to enter. They're in a dual market right now. How can we tell if the bear market is going to be proven wrong? It's pretty easy. We want to keep an eye on the institutions. If the institutions get involved, we won't be amazed by a bear market. There will be a 100% decline in the market. But we are not going to go look at the normal undergo market. We used to where the assets pass down 90% to 95%. If you don't have a Lux Lines NFT, you're behind schedule, and it's already half the month. I don't know what you're looking forward to. Folks, these simple Gen 2 versions are the newest thing we have for you. If you buy one, you get XRP back. If you buy more, you get more XRP back. XRP is a standard currency. You will still get XRP back if you buy an NFT in November and hold on to it until February or March. That's how easy it is, Miles. This was put out by Ash Crypto. Bitcoin's rise to power is getting closer to its end. The developed alt season will start as soon as the crash does. He's right on the mark. I'll blow this up. But is this really going to be the highest point? You know that the peak is getting pretty close, and he's looking at his chart. Going for the peak that was thought to happen in December isn't going to happen. At the moment, we won't be able to top up our Bitcoins at the dominance until next year. As long as we can get the rotation out to alts, as a chart watcher, you should pay attention to what the markets are going to do next. You should only be aware of one chart, and that is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's decrypt it for a moment and get this out in the open. Is this a break before the next move? It says that Bitcoin's cost long-term gains of more than $88,000. Bitcoin is now holding on to its gains near $90,000 and may see a small drop in the near future. The price is more than $86,000, and the 100-hour simple job is the norm. 1 hourly chart shows a connecting positive trend line with a support level at $85,200. The Bitcoin to US dollar pairing charge is coming over from Kraken. If it stays above 85,000, the pair could keep going up. I want to let you know that my rejection is sitting around 800.83. These people want to know if 85 degrees is the important level we want to stay above. It says that the price of Bitcoin started a new boom above 85,000.0000.00. The price of Bitcoin broke through the $86,500 limit and reached a new all-time high. It set a new high round, 89,852, and is now putting